big snow.
Yeah, mga babe, magtatry kami mag-snow ski. Yung snow ski, dito lang kami kasi uulan sa labas kaya sa mall kami. Mag-ski muna. Try muna kami kung carry namin. So, first time ko din. Is it your first time, babe?
Huh?
Is it your first time to do so? So, walang ibang activity dito. Kasi sobrang lamig. So, mag-snow ski kami dito sa mall. So, 10 minutes lang siya dito sa bahay, guys. Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Maaga kami ngayon, guys. 9:45 yung slot namin. So, wala pang tao yung mall. Mas okay kasi pag Sabado, sobrang daming tao. So, dito kami, guys. Bibili ata siya. Diyan kami sa loob. Oh! It looks real. I think we need gloves, babe. Palit na kami ng mga damit. Now, kukuha kami ng boots. At saka na. Oh no, I think there, baby. No? It's a locker. Guys, indoor. Indoor lang siya. So, ito siya. Hi! Say hi, baby! Meron kami dito. Ito siya. We're here? Good. That's so sweet. You feel cold? Why do you feel cold?
There you go.
Yeah. Good job, Alab. Good job. You did it. Like the whole what? I fall once.
You wanna go play?
I'll wait here for you and I'll get the video when you come in. snowboard pala yung ginawa namin ngayon. So, lakad-lakad kami dito sa mall. Bali, mahal yung mga bilhin dito. Hindi kami dito bumili. So guys, tapos na ang snowboarding namin.
Huh?
Where are we going, baby?
Jollibee!
Where are we going to eat?
Jollibee!
Jollibee.
Bicol Express.
Kain kami ng Jollibee. Walang Bicol Express dito. Dito kami guys, sa Jollibee. There. Jollibee tayo guys.
Over here they don't have food.
Yeah, only... What do you want, Mala?
Good chicken, man.
Do you want one bucket of chicken?
Yeah, what is spicy?
You want one bucket of chicken? One bucket of chicken. So ito na yung order namin guys. Meron kami 3 chicken. 0 tenders. Manako. My husband. Wow! Jollibee! Merong fries. And mango pie. Luwi namin yun. Ha? Very good. How was it, baby? Is it good?
Colombia better.
No. It's the best fried chicken here in New Jersey.
Pinakaharap.
Jollibee.
By harap means in front too, right? Today here I pay you $50 for the cake you gave me.
Later we have gonna make a video with
Okay, and I pay another 50.
Yan guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Binayaran niya ko $50.
Right, let's go.
Para sa
Get out of the car. Don't forget your trash.
dito na kami sa bahay. Thank you for watching. Wow.
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Masarap, pinakamasarap. Sarap, harap, sarap. Mas masarap.
Okay guys, bye.